All right, let's take a look at these 4 problems. I know some of them are covered up. If you haven't already seen the first video, you probably want to go back and watch that one. But here we go. So we know that the little rhyme that we use is same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the greater number, then you'll be exact. Okay, so different signs subtract, same signs we add. So let's look at these 4. So the question is, do we have different signs? Or do we have the same signs on each one? So a positive and a negative, those are different. Different means I subtract. And a negative and a positive, those are different. So I'm going to subtract. Subtract. Positive and negative. I see a pattern. Different signs. Subtract. Positive 3, negative 1. Different signs. So just realize that initially when you're looking at this, you're really just thinking, do I have the same sign or do I have different signs? Like, don't start trying to figure out an answer and like think, oh, it's got to be positive 2 or it's got to be negative 2 or whatever. Just think about, are they positive and negative? Are they negative and positive? Are they the same? Are they different? That's all you're looking at. You're not thinking about adding and subtracting and all that stuff. All right, so now that I know these are different, I'm going to subtract the numbers. Don't think about the negatives still. Just subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then the last part of that rule, let me pull it back up on the screen. Wrong one. Here we go. Use the sign of the greater number. Okay, which number's bigger, 6 or 8, right? That's not tough. The greater number is the 8. Use the sign of that greater number. This 8 is a negative. That means my answer is a negative 2. That's it. Like, use the sign of the greater number, then you'll be exact. You'll have the exact answer. All right, so let's subtract these on number 6. So on number 6, it says 7 and 5. So subtract 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Hey, 2 again. Now use the greater number. So 7's bigger. It's positive, so this is a positive 2. All right, 7 and 11, subtract those. 11 take away 7 is 4. Sign of the greater number, the bigger one here is the 11, and it's negative. That means my answer is a negative, so negative 4. All right, subtract 3 and 1. 3 take away 1 is 2. The bigger number is 3. It's positive, so my answer is positive. You know that 3 take away 1 is